Hi everyone, I wanted to share a really quick tutorial and video about a very simple but annoyingly difficult to figure out feature that you might not know how to do inside of your Google Workspace and business email setup. So it's the holidays and my team and I are preparing to head out of the office, and so we went to set our autoresponders. So like us, you may have both individual users and groups that are set up for anything from, in our case, our support email, hello email, which is our general inbox. So these are basically relay emails that don't act like a user account. They're set up as groups inside of your admin console. And so they don't have the same way to do the autoresponder like your individual email accounts will, which is as Claudia at The Inspired Brand, I go to gmail.com, I log in with my account, and I go to the settings little gear icon, I click see all settings, and my autoresponder is able to be activated and set on an individual user basis. However, for groups, this is something that has to happen inside your admin console. And unfortunately, Google's support, as per usual, is either outdated, incomplete, or even difficult for us techies to figure out, let alone someone who might not be as techie. So with all that said, I'm just going to do a really quick tutorial walking you through how to do this for a user, not just a user, but for a group email at your organization. So first of all, when you log into your admin console, you'll need to be logged in as an admin or a super admin so you can do this. And once you're in there, you're going to go to directory and then groups. So once you're in the groups section, you will click on the group that you want to set this up for. For us, our priority is our support email, since that is the most active group email that we have. And once you're in here, you will click on Access Settings. And once you're in here, wouldn't it be nice if they just said hit auto reply or here? But no, you need to go to the very bottom page down here and click on Advanced Settings. So once you're in the Advanced Settings window, then you're going to scroll all the way down. You're going to make sure this is the right email. So for us, it is. And you're going to scroll all the way down till you see auto replies. And for this, you're going to select Enable auto reply to non-members outside the organization. So you want this to be for people who are not at the Inspired Brand, right? And they are for the non-members of the group. So members of the group would be anyone on your team, obviously. So this is where we're going to paste whatever your auto reply is, right? And here's where that is. And we're going to go ahead and, oops. There we go. Sender chooses recipient, I believe, is the default setting. We're just going to go ahead and save that. And it might take time for the changes to take effect, but this should then set up your autoresponder. The only bummer is, unlike in Gmail where you have dates that you can just sort of set it and forget it, and it will just sort of deactivate itself after the date that you're back in the office, you'll have to go in here and manually turn this off once you're ready, or once you're back in the office. So that's the only caveat to this, but you can go ahead and do this for all your groups and just set the same default message or customize it on a group level. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. This was something that, like I said, I wish Google would build into their user interface a little bit better, but alas, I hope this is helpful, and stay tuned for more quick and hopefully helpful tutorials like this in 2026. Thanks. Have a great holiday.